Hey YouTube. Just just wanted to do a little video because I've been meaning to do the video about my air compressor. So this is my Harbor Freight 21-gallon air compressor. Got this about three and a half years ago. Yeah, about two and a half, something like that. But the air compressor pumps up to 120 psi. I have the tape almost right at 120 psi. So if this gauge goes anywhere past 120 psi, I know the tank is at risk blowing up. But this cord is really good. It's really thick. All that. Need to clean the tank. But yeah, the pressure regulator, the ball valve is great. Filter, haven't had nothing wrong with it. The oil light just got changed in it about 2 weeks ago. Got a 120-foot extension cord from Walmart. And I also got a 26-gallon Craftsman air compressor tank that had a motor on it, but the motor did not work. It was sitting outside for about almost 2 years, but the tank's good. It's just the motor was bad, so I had to take that off. Put all of new connectors on it, all that, ball valve, brand new gauges. For now, I just have a 1/4 inch air hose with a quick connect, so I could just easily just keep that compressor in the shed and take this tank wherever I need to. But yeah, that is good. So if you have any, oh yeah, the air tunes, almost forgot about that. This is my 90-degree angle drill. Has forward, then if you press down and then twist, that will actually lock it. That is reverse. Your trigger, and all that. Impact. If I'm not mistaken, this goes up to I can't remember off the top of my head, but 350 foot-pounds, I believe. A friend got that for me for my birthday. Got these impact sockets from Walmart. I got a die grinder. I have not found any wheels for that. Air ratchet, 3/8 air ratchet. It's actually been a pretty great air ratchet. And here, this was one of the first air tools I got. It's a palm nailer. Whenever this goes down, the little piece, the piece inside there, starts like hammering away really fast. So yeah, that's good. I also have oil and all that in the house. But I just keep all of the air tools right there, and yeah.